don't you want to play a game or something?
I like games, but I don't know what. How do they duck that goose?
I want to play another bridge.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright. Look.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Repeat rock! And then you play duck that goose.
Okay, everybody go into a circle. And these will help us determine who will be. Okay, let's go. Never mind those things. Hey! I was put out of the picture. Okay, something weird has happened. Nothing's happened yet. We haven't even started the dumb game already. And now we are. Okay. Whatever's in the pot is out. That's a good idea. Now, something pretty weird is going on. But I don't know what it is.
What is going on with you guys?
Okay, nothing's going on weird.
Dude, you're weird.
Okay, let's just do something else. I like this game. Okay, let's start. I did. Duck, 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 poo. Duck. I said poop, not goose.
Oh, sorry.
Duck, duck, goose. La, 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 la. You can't touch me.
Yes, I can.
You cannot.
Yes, I can.
You cannot. What's in this?
Oh, no, I missed. And I have to catch somebody. Who do I know it's you? Duck, 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 goose. La 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 la. You can't catch me.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn your eyes to the ears. Duck, goose.
It's good.
Wah, wah.
Hey, you're missing the pot. He's out. Okay. That leaves me, is it? Okay. Duck, 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 goose. What was that?
Okay, I think we're having a little injury.
I'm not having injuries. Cat, I got you. I'm supposed to get you. Oh yeah, that's right. I got you. Oh crap. He's out. Now.
Okay, we got to do something. But what?
Oh wait, I mean it. Duck, duck. Come on, why are you making this such a big deal?
I don't know.
Okay, duck, duck, goose. La 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 da 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 da. Die! Oh no.
Shoot.
Okay. I get it. I'm it. I get it. Duck, duck, goose.
Okay, that was kind of harsh. But I still got you.
Phooey.
Duck, 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 goose. I don't mean goose. Duck, duck, goose.
Oh! I gotcha.
Oh no, I'm out. Oh, what's the name on purpose?
Oh yeah. Hey, goose. You got me.
Nope, it's cold.
You got me. Okay, so what are the meanings?
No, you didn't tag me yet. Well, also did tag you, but he changed his mind. You're allowed to change minds in the game?
Cool! So that's the only thing that you can cheater. Dang! Okay. Duck, 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 ducky, duck, 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 ducky, duck, 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 goose, goose, goose. Bye! Ah, we are out. Okay, duck, duck, goose. silly. Duck, 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 goose. Ah, boy, duck, goose. Whee! Duck, 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 goose. Oh no! Mario versus Sonic. Because Sonic, you can win. Crap, but I have to pick him. Duck, duck, goose. Oh, okay, I win the game. Bye-bye.